Just when you think you know the world around you, some mind-blowing revelations leave even some of the most daring scientists absolutely shocked. From the depths of the ocean to the heart of dense forests, these newly discovered species have left researchers trembling in disbelief. Let's uncover these mysterious creatures. Winged desert scorpion. The winged desert scorpion, a recent discovery, has failed the desert's challenges with its unique adaptation, the membranous wings. These wings, although delicate-looking, enable short glides for quick mobility in the arid expanse. They aid in covering ground, finding prey, and locating mates. The scorpion's exoskeleton and pincers have also evolved for streamlined flight. This adaptation has led to a distinct mating dance. However, challenges arise as torn wings limit mobility and aerial journeys expose the scorpion to predators. This discovery sheds light on how scientists are capturing creatures that are altering their perception of scorpions and their abilities. Gulper eel. Let's explore a bit more about daunting gulper eel, an unknown terrific creature with a nightmarishly enormous mouth. Designed for devouring prey whole. This eel is a master of consuming large objects, boasting the ability to stretch its mouth and stomach even further to accommodate its meals. Looking at a staggering 3,000 meters beneath the ocean's surface, the gulper eel remains enigmatic due to its deep sea habitat, reaching up to 6 feet in length and equipped with a whip-like tail for swift movement. Encountering these eels is a chilling thought. With limited information available, their mysterious ways add to their bizarre and quite spooky allure. Wingless beetle. In Madagascar, an island brimming with distinctive species due to its isolation, a recent discovery stands out: the wingless beetle, aptly named Aptrax madagascariensis. Beetles are known for their diverse forms, but this one defies the norm by lacking both elytra and hind wings. This seeming regression is actually an evolutionary advantage in the dense rainforests of Madagascar, where navigating tight spaces is more crucial than flying. This wingless beetle thrives on the forest floor, moving swiftly and efficiently. Its reproduction strategy involves a unique dance of vibrations and pheromones due to its inability to fly. Glass frog. Here is the captivating glass frog, also known as Diane's bare-hearted glass frog or the Kermit frog. This lime green amphibian takes an astonishing turn when flipped over, revealing its transparent belly that offers a view of its internal organs. Found in Costa Rica's lush rainforest, they were uncovered by researchers at the Costa Rican Amphibian Research Center. Initially resembling other glass frog species, a 12% divergence from their closest relative sets them apart. What's even more intriguing is their call, resembling an insect sounds more than a typical frog's croak. This frog's hidden wonder and unique traits showcase the marvels nature has in store. Giant spider crab. The giant spider crab, a creature that defies our usual perception of crabs. With long legs and formidable pincers, these giants rank among the world's largest crabs, lurking deep within the ocean's depths. Weighing up to 44 pounds and boasting leg spans of about 13 feet, their sheer size is daunting. These crabs are skilled scavengers feasting on various offerings, including corpses. Their razor-sharp claws, both strong and swift, can effortlessly dismantle prey. Notably, they blend into their surroundings adeptly. Imagine their colossal strength prying open shells. Their potential impact on humans is a spine-tingling thought. The vampire squid. The vampire squid, despite its name, isn't a squid or octopus, but has its own unique group. Resembling both with 8 arms and 2 tentacles, it can reach about 12 inches in length. Its body ranges from jet black to red, and its skin looks like a cape attached to its arms. Interestingly, if a predator removes one of its arms, it can regrow it. This mysterious creature showcases nature's diversity and adaptability in the depths of the ocean. Sarcastic Fringehead. Sarcastic Fringehead is a name that is not a joke when it comes to its horrifying nature. This creature resides near the Pacific coast of North America, renowned for its enormous mouth capable of engulfing prey. Temperamental and territorial, these fish defend their territory vigorously, flashing their needle-like teeth as a warning. They are relentless in safeguarding their homes, escalating their defense if provoked. Their aggressive demeanor involves jaw flexing and snapping as an initial caution. But if provoked further, their ferocious teeth become weapons. The sarcastic fringehead's feisty nature is a testament to its survival tactics in the ocean's depths. Araguaian River Dolphin. The Uruguayan river dolphin, native to South America's Uruguay, Tacanas Basin, is distinct with its pink color and dorsal ridge instead of a fin. Measuring 1.53 to 2.6 meters, it has a unique long snout due to its murky aquatic environment. Unlike marine dolphins, their vision is less developed, making them less active. These dolphins, estimated at 600 to 1,500 individuals, face threats from commercial fishing. JONAH'S mouse lemur. JONAH'S mouse lemur, a fresh discovery in northeastern Madagascar named to honor the Malagasy primatologist Professor Jonah Rapsambasi. Despite its small stature with big eyes and dainty ears, it's no ordinary lemur. Sporting a distinct white stripe between its eyes and cozy short fur in white and yellow hues, this lemur measures 13 centimeters long and weighs around 60 grams. Found during a field trip in North Mannoria National Park, this lemur's unique genetic code sets it apart, confirmed by a research team led by Professor Jonah. Despite its charm, this species faces an uncertain future due to habitat loss, hunting, and environmental shifts. Mariana snailfish. Exploring the sea depths, the scientists found Mariana snailfish, a weird fish residing in the Mariana Trench at depths of 6,200 to 8,000 meters, 20,000 to 26,500 feet. This trench is one of Earth's most remote and scariest spots. One snailfish was caught at an astonishing depth of 7,966 meters, 26,135 feet, possibly setting a record for deepest fish capture. This discovery provided scientists with insights into the unique adaptations needed for life in such extreme environments. Transparent skin, enlarged organs and eggs, thinner muscles, and limited or no vision are some adaptations seen. These snailfish rely on senses beyond sight to navigate their pitch-dark habitat. Giant centipede. Hello to the giant centipede, a creature that lives up to its name, and almost everyone shivers. The concept of creepy centipedes alone sends chills, but the idea of giant ones sounds drastic. So yeah, no thank you. Discovered in 2021 near Japan and Taiwan's Ryukyu Islands, this colossal critter measures around 20 centimeters long and 2 centimeters thick. Shockingly, it's amphibious, navigating both land and water. Frankly, I'd rather keep my distance and stick to places where I won't bump into these unsettling giants. This giant centipede is definitely going to make you think that some creatures could have been skipped. For sure, because what's up with this level of creepiness? Tongue-eating louse. An epitome of disgust. Tongue-eating louse is a truly unsettling creature with a stomach-churning modus operandi. The deal is that this parasite infiltrates a fish through its gills, undergoing a gender swap while living inside. Unbelievably, it severs the fish's tongue, then feeds on its blood until the tongue falls off. Imagine the horror! While it might seem like a nightmarish scenario, this ghastly phenomenon doesn't affect humans. Recently, a woman found one of these parasites in a fish she purchased, prompting her to return it for a refund. Rest assured, while it's fascinatingly horrifying, this creepy critter isn't a danger to us, directly. So far. Saber-toothed tiger. The saber-toothed tiger, famous for its long, curved canine teeth, has captured our curiosity for years, weighing around 485 to 961 pounds and standing about 39 inches tall. It's closely related to the modern tiger. Once roamed North and South America around 10,000 years ago. While it would be amazing to witness its return, introducing another predatory species might not be the best idea, given the challenges we already face with existing predators. The ancient panda. The ancient panda, a recent discovery from Bulgaria, offers a spellbinding glimpse into the past, dating back around 7.2 to 5.3 million years ago. Researchers identified this species using fossilized teeth found in coal deposits. Unlike today's robust pandas, these ancient counterparts had teeth less suited for tough bamboo. Their habitat included humid forests and swamps. Although smaller, these pandas had a similar size to modern ones. This discovery underscores how little we truly comprehend about ancient wildlife, shedding light on a distant era and its mysterious inhabitants. Illypika. Illypika is the latest discovered species and an exclusive addition to the kingdom of Mammalia. These tiny animals are found exclusively in northwest China, measuring around 7 to 8 inches. These cuties love to thrive bare, sloping rocks in the Tianshan mountain range home. But their story takes a somber turn. As of today, only 1,000 remain alive, which is quite alarming and unfortunate. This is a staggering 70% drop since 1983. The climate change culprit is pushing them higher up into the mountains where life is tougher. Homo habilis. Homo habilis, meaning handyman, is an ancient human species evolving in Africa over 2 million years ago. Extinct around 1.5 million years ago, it bridges the gap between Australopiths and modern humans. The discovery in Tanzania confirmed our African origins, revolutionizing our understanding of human evolution. Homo habilis showcased a larger brain than Australopiths, resembling later human species. Renowned for crafting stone tools, it was initially seen as a distinguishing trait, hence the name. While we now know Australopiths also made tools, the name handyman persists, marking this remarkable species in the mosaic of our past. Mindoro fanged frog. Meet the eerie Mindoro fanged frog, a newly discovered species hiding right under scientists' noses in the Philippines. This mysterious amphibian perplexed experts for years, pretending as a similar frog species with fangs. Now officially recognized, it's named after its home, Mindoro. Despite being around for a century, its unique mating call and genetic makeup set it apart. It turns out these frogs have been on their own evolutionary journey for 2 to 6 million years, with fangs for both courtship, combat, and predator defense. They're true survivors, but humans threaten their existence by hunting them for food, leading to a decline in their population. Smartly, these frogs avoid us, teaching us a lesson in self-preservation. ERIOVIXIA, Gryffindori. As the creepiness elevates, let's see the ERIOVIXIA Gryffindor, a newly discovered spider that stirred mixed feelings among those not fond of spiders. What's somewhat amusing is its name, which is inspired by Harry Potter's magical world. The spider's peculiar body shape resembles the Sorting Hat, a detail that's garnered some acceptance. Covered in small, yellow and white hairs, it's a unique addition to the Arachnid kingdom. While some may cringe at spiders, the Harry Potter connection adds a dash of charm to this newfound critter. And yes, the debate about the best Harry Potter character continues, with Ron and Hermione vying for the spotlight. Okiapi. The Okiapi is a native of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Despite their zebra-like stripes, they're actually closer relatives to giraffes. These unique creatures, standing around 5 feet tall, possess horn-like features on males and hair whorls on females. Active during the day with impressive night vision, Okiapis remain unknown to the Western world until the 20th century, even though locals were familiar with them for years. Sadly, they're endangered due to habitat loss from logging, human settlements, and the pressing threat of poaching. In 2012, poachers attacked an Okeapi Wildlife Reserve, devastating staff and wiping out 14 Okeapis. Pacific viperfish. In the deep oceans exists an eerie ocean tenet, Pacific viperfish, that varies its depth depending on the time of day. Usually staying within the bathyl zone, 1,000 to 4,000 meters deep, they rise to shallower waters at night for more food. With its protruding jaw and long pointed teeth, it's easy to spot. This predator primarily feasts on fish, but also indulges in crustaceans, plankton, and shrimp. Reaching about a foot in length, it's one of the most aggressive fish for its size, and its ultra-black skin reduces reflections, aiding in camouflage. Despite their size, their fierce demeanor and unconventional appearance make them unforgettable and best appreciated from a distance. Bandy snake. Deep in the woods lives Bandy snake, a striking creature with bold black and white stripes, hailing from Australia's woodlands. This snake's unique motion, resembling the side-to-side sway of zebras, earns it its name. While less deadly than its venomous counterparts like the taipan, the bandy snake still wields potent venom, especially effective to reptile prey. When threatened, these snakes stand their ground, raising their bodies to display an intimidating posture before making a calculated escape. Unfortunately, their habitat faces destruction due to mining, causing concern among experts. With much to uncover about these captivating reptiles, scientists are advocating for protection status to ensure their survival against the encroaching threats. Reticulated siren. In Alabama and Florida's Panhandle, there lies a shocking surprise. A team of researchers has discovered a newfound salamander star, the reticulated siren. This quirky species boasts big external gills and only front limbs, setting it apart from its salamander cousins. Evolving separately in its early days, this siren brings a touch of prehistory back, as its relatives once roamed South America, North America, and Africa. Now calling the southern US and northern Mexico home, this siren struts its stuff in Lake Jackson's shallow waters. Standing nearly 24 inches tall, it's a heavyweight in the vertebrate world, making waves as the first new siren species in 44 years. Scientists are thrilled, showing us that nature's mysteries are far from solved. Australopithecus aerophanes. Australopithecus aerophanes is a fascinating early human species that thrived from around 3.85 to 9.95 million years ago. With over 300 individuals as remains uncovered, it's one of the best studied. Impressively, they survived for nearly 1 million years, longer than Homo sapiens' existence. Sporting a mix of human and ape-like traits, they had a smaller brain and adapted arms for tree climbing, a key to their survival amidst changing environments. Kenyathrompus platypus, a mysterious contemporary to them. These two species coexisted, but likely avoided food competition due to different diets. While not all agree, some see connections between this species and us, owing to modern-like facial features. As more fossils emerge, the puzzle might find its missing pieces. Mysterious mass. Mysterious mass stirred intrigue and fear when it washed up on a shore in Indonesia. Initially thought to be a colossal squid, crowds gathered to see the creature, rumored to be as huge as a shipping container. Expert analysis unveiled its true identity, that it was not a squid, but a sperm whale. Indonesia's Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries clarified the bizarre appearance, attributing it to the decomposition process. As sperm whales decay, their intestines emerge through the throat, transforming their appearance into a curved, pumpkin-like form. This is how the transformational effects of nature's processes are revealed. GALAPINDRA CATARACTA. GALAPINDRA CATARACTA is a newly uncovered centipede species from Thailand and Vietnam. The name is quite a mouthful, but the sight of it is even scarier. But so is the unease it brings to those weary of many-legged creatures. Discovered near a waterfall aptly named Cataracta, this centipede stretches about 8 inches long and boasts a whopping 20 pairs of legs. As we wonder why new discoveries can't be cuddly dogs or cats, This centipede challenges our comfort zones with its uniquely terrific traits. Sometimes nature's surprises come in unexpected forms, making us appreciate the diversity of life on our planet while giving real-time shocks to the scientists on their way of discoveries. EXINO-TURBELLA CHURRO. EXINO-TURBELLA CHURRO is a quirky sea creature that earned an honorable mention for its resemblance to the delectable churro pastry. Well, that is yum! This is not. Residing in the eastern Pacific Ocean, it's a worm-like animal akin to a jellyfish but without tentacles. Along with a pink-purple hue, it is a potential feast for mollusks. Although not a concern for us, but definitely for the scientists, this species spices up the ocean's diversity with its unique appearance, offering a fun reminder of the delicious churros we enjoy. Remember, the weirdness of this creature has made it land as one of the most terrific new discoveries. Ringed Sicilian snake. Ringed Sicilian is a snake that has been known for centuries, but recently revealed to possess venomous glands in its mouth, making us look at it a new terrific version of it. Its black body with wings exudes a futuristic post-apocalyptic aura. Born with an eerie touch, these snakes remarkably feast on their mother's skin layer upon birth, boasting 44 teeth that give off a vampire-like vibe. While these details evoke a sense of trepidation, they remind us of the astounding diversity and intriguing adaptations found in nature. The snake's mysterious traits add a layer of caution and fascination to our understanding of this creature. Barrel jellyfish. Do you know that there is a never-ending world of jellyfish? In 2017, a remarkable event unfolded along the Welsh coastline. A mega swarm of giant barrel jellyfish emerged, numbering in the thousands. These creatures can grow to a substantial size, around 35 inches in diameter. Marine experts were taken aback, as such a vast and large gathering was quite unprecedented. The warmer than usual weather likely contributed to this phenomenon by boosting their numbers. These jellyfish were likely caught up during their migration, creating a mesmerizing spectacle that amazed onlookers. This scenario was terrifying for normal people, but equally shocking for scientists and experts. Mastodons. Mastodons, known for their imposing curved tusks, became extinct around 11,000 years ago after the last ice age. Females stood around 7 feet 7 inches tall, while large males reached about 9 feet 2 inches in height. Their disappearance resulted from climate changes, increased competition for food, and possibly early human hunting. Luckily, they were herbivores and posed no threat to humans. If scientists ever revive them, we can rest assured they won't disturb our peace. These ancient creatures are a mysterious part of Earth's history. The Pine Rockland Trapdoor Spider. The Pine Rockland Trapdoor Spider might not scare scientists, but it sure sends shivers down everyone else's spine. This spider's story is quite intriguing. It was actually discovered in 2012, but wasn't recognized as a new species until 2021. Found by a Miami Zoo staff member inspecting reptile traps, its uniqueness was confirmed by a spider expert, Rebecca Godwin. This tarantula-like spider is resident in an endangered city forest, highlighting the importance of preserving such habitats. This discovery reminds us that protecting these areas is vital, not only for known species, but also for uncovering new ones that await our exploration. Brittle Star. The cute name Brittle Star is not as cute and simple, but is a unique species that took a decade to be fully understood. Discovered in 2011 during an expedition near New Caledonia, it was finally classified in 2021. These teeth help it catch and tear its prey, showcasing its remarkable evolution over millions of years. This mysterious creature with ancient roots dating back to the Jurassic period is a fascinating survivor in the ever-changing world of nature. Sheet Weaver Spider. Sheet weaver spider is another recent revelation that spent its life hidden in an Indiana cave until 2018. These tiny arachnids, about 2 millimeters long, sport a dusty yellow hue with black ringed eyes. Their claim to fame is their exquisite sheet weaving talents. Crafting intricate, horizontal webs, they're experts in the art of crafting tight, flat webs. Dr. Julian Lewis, a key contributor to their discovery, even lends his name to their scientific classification. This unusual discovery adds another gem to the spider world, being the 15th species in its genus and the 5th exclusively living in caves. Central African slender-snouted crocodile. The African slender-snouted crocodile, though discovered earlier, was recently recognized as a distinct species in 2018 after comprehensive studies. Spanning from Cameroon to Tanzania, it was divided into the Central African slender-snouted crocodile. This classification brought alarming news. Matthew Shirley, a crocodile expert, expressed concern about its conservation. The West African species, constituting only 10% of the population, faces critical endangerment, reducing its numbers by 90%. In a different vein, the extinct dragon of death stood out with its colossal size, measuring 30 feet with extended wings and towering like a giraffe. This ancient predator soared around 86 million years ago, potentially pioneering wing-assisted hunting before bird evolution. Pyrenean ibex. The Pyrenean ibex, a type of wild goat, was a unique species found in southwestern Europe. These goats were about 5 feet long and 30 inches tall, known for their majestic appearance. Sadly, they went extinct in 2003, not too long ago. The last individual born in 2003 survived only 7 minutes due to a lung defect. Factors like hunting, inbreeding, and other influences over time led to their extinction. It's a bit of a shame, as these goats had a distinguished charm that set them apart from regular goats. Zombie frog. The zombie frog, discovered by Ernest in the Amazon rainforest of Guyana, has revealed rare amphibians that were hidden for years. International researchers have been investigating this strange frog for a while. The frog is medium brown on top, light brown underneath, and has distinctive orange spots on its skin. Its unique feature is its transparent yellow ovaries, while males make calls from underground tunnels. This discovery has shed light on a creature found in remote areas, and scientists are still unraveling its reproduction methods, believed to be similar to other synapse Uranus frogs. Glyptodon. The glyptodon, a larger armadillo relative, roamed South America around 34 million years ago. With the land connection, they reached North America too. These creatures were massive, measuring about 12 feet in length and 1.5 feet in height, with fluted teeth and a thick bony shell. Interestingly, they vanished around 7,000 to 8,000 years ago, but still managed to trigger the intrigue in scientists. Quagga. The quagga, a distinct zebra species, sadly went extinct in the 19th century. It's slightly different from typical zebras, and efforts are being considered to revive it. Native to South Africa, the quagga was about 8 feet 5 inches long and 4 feet 5 inches tall. With a sandy brown coat and white tail, it had stripes from its top to its middle. These herbivores had a lifespan of 20 to 40 years. Two-headed calf. In 2015, a surprising event unfolded on a Florida family farm when a two-headed calf named Annabelle was born. This unique calf had 2 heads, 4 eyes, 2 mouths, 2 noses, and 2 ears due to a mutation. Despite the family's efforts to care for her, Annabelle was too weak to stand and nurse her mother. With a short lifespan of just 40 days, her condition remained a mystery to veterinarians and scientists. This tragic occurrence highlights the need for scientific understanding and potential solutions to help such rare mutations in the future, ensuring the well-being of animals like Annabelle. Well, looking at this picture, it can be anything from a mysterious sighting to a staged cosplay. What I could search the most about it, and the closest I came to, was a Commodore dog. I mean, it makes sense, right? Maybe the picture belonged to a costume party, and the idea was inspired by this dog species, or the camouflage snipers do while on missions. What do you guys have to say over this?